Man, what a wild day in the market once again. Once again, you gotta love this market. As a trader, you have to love this market, this type of volatility. You can make money going either way, long or short. And look at this morning. The short this morning was almost a $7 move down. Then the market recovered and almost printed an $11 move. 11-point move. That's wild. That's some wild swings on the day. You gotta love it. You gotta enjoy this volatility. And if you set your levels up and respect your levels, you can make some money in this market. This is a great traders market, especially the last month and a half. It's been a nice market for sure to trade. But if you go back and watch my previous videos, these are the same levels that I posted, and I went over my game plan and I said I wouldn't take a trade unless these levels came into play. And you can see not perfect. Like you can never pinpoint tops or bottoms, but once you can understand your levels and understand the setup that's happening at your levels, that you and when you spend a lot of time in the market, you start to realize like it's hard to pinpoint top and bottom on levels, but if you can get in that vicinity and have a nice level, then and you see it holding steady, like right now, like it pushed up to my level this morning. I seen sellers present, and that's what I wanted to see, and I just waited for the retest to take my trade. Once I seen sellers presenting themselves again, I entered my position. And I had to keep in consideration this level right here, which was pre-market lows, this 575-ish, for a potential bounce. That's why when I got in my position, I covered it early. I didn't get the whole move all the way down to 573, which I could. That takes more patience and more time, but I got a very nice print on my first move. So I got in my position with a nice win on the day. But this is why you have to take these levels that it bounced off in consideration, because you see, once it touched pre-market low again, it bounced. So now am I willing to give back all those profits? No, I don't want to be greedy. Take the base hit, get out of my position. I'm done for the day. I had a nice day trading, a great day trading actually. And no, I didn't catch all these trades. I took that trade and I was done for the day. But I just wanted to go over the levels from today and show you guys how they come in play. And you see, once I said I wasn't willing to go long unless it came back down to 580, 573, 572 came into play. And you see, once it got down to 573, what happened? It skyrocketed. So it was basically the same setup as yesterday happened today again to the T. We just didn't get that big after a power hour sell off, but I mean it did have a nice little sell off in power hour too. As soon as it touched up here at our resistance zone, and you see, you could have got a nice short off the mid level again if you wanted to take that, a little base hit also. So it was a lot of trades set up today off the levels, and that's how I like to keep it. I just like to keep it simple, keep my trading as simple as possible, because I mean we are already trading a super complex market. So the simple the better, and it keeps all the guessing out of it. I don't have to confuse myself. I just know if my levels come into play, I'm going to take my trade. That's it. And if I'm wrong, I'm going to get out, and I'll know if I'm wrong instantly if I lose my levels. It's just that simple. But going into tomorrow's session, into the pre-market, I'm probably going to keep these same levels because of we're trading within that day's range of yesterday. Also, we didn't break the highs nor the lows, so I'm going to keep my same levels the same. And in pre-market, if I wake up in the morning and we get a gap up, then I know that the market want to continue to push higher to try to go find another resistance. And if I know if I wake down and the market's gap down under my mid-level once again, then I know this is now my resistance again. It's just that simple. So I'm going to keep these levels the same as I had for the day because of we still within that range. And on the market, you see either we building another trading range so the market can continue to continue this downtrend, or did we find bottom today? We don't know. But I do know if we break out of this range, then we're gonna go try to look for another resistance. This 2-day range from 572s all the way up to 585. That's like a $12 range. So are we gonna bounce around up in here before the market make its continuation lower, or are we just gonna trade in this range for a few more days? Who knows? All I know is I got my levels intact, and if the market respect my levels, I'm gonna take my trade. And if it don't, I will adjust my plan to find new levels to trade off of in pre-market. So that's my game plan coming into tomorrow's morning. And I'll post another video of my adjustments if I have to make adjustments, or what I'm thinking about going into the actual trading session at 9:30. But yeah, the levels, I mean, they actually played out and they all held today, so I'm going to keep them the same, and I'll make adjustments in the morning. We probably can take this one down just a little bit, about right there. Yep. So levels are the same, game plan's the same, every day is the same. All right, see you guys in the morning.